Hello and welcome to our HRIS Masterclass. In this lesson, we will learn different ways you can deploy a human resources information system. Today, we're going to explore the three main deployment options: on-premise, cloud-based, and hybrid, and help you understand which choice makes the most sense for your organization. Let's begin with on-premise. An on-premise HRIS means you purchase the software outright and install it on servers and computers you own and maintain. You might think of it like buying an office suite for your own network rather than subscribing to a web-based version. Your IT department is responsible for installation, security, updates, backups, and troubleshooting. The biggest advantage here is control. You can customize every detail of the system to match your unique business processes, and sensitive employee data stays behind your own firewall. For companies in heavily regulated industries or those with strict data sovereignty requirements, this can be a critical benefit. On the flip side, on-premise carries high upfront costs. You need to budget for servers, network infrastructure, software licenses, and skilled IT staff. Ongoing maintenance and upgrades also demand resources and can slow down your ability to adopt new features. Many organizations find that the total cost of ownership over time can be greater than a subscription model, especially as they scale. Next, let's look at cloud-based risks. With a cloud deployment, you don't own the software. Instead, you pay a subscription fee to access it over the internet. Think of it like using an email service or online document platform. The vendor handles hosting, security, maintenance, and updates, so your IT team is freed from routine system upkeep. Cloud solutions typically require lower capital investment, and you can easily add or remove user licenses as your headcount fluctuates. Remote and hybrid work models benefit greatly from anywhere and getting access. However, cloud systems offer less deep customization than on-premise, and some companies worry about placing sensitive HR data on external servers. You remain dependent on your vendor's reliability and roadmap. If they experience downtime or choose to retire a feature, your business must adapt. Finally, hybrid suites brings the best of both worlds. You keep mission-critical data such as payroll or benefits administration on your own servers while you run less sensitive functions like recruiting or learning management in the cloud. This blended approach gives you both control and flexibility. You can tailor security and compliance to your most rigorous needs without sacrificing the scalability and accessibility of cloud modules. Hybrid deployments require careful planning to integrate the two environments and maintain consistent workflows, but for many mid-sized and large enterprises, hybrid is the ideal balance. Across the industry, deployment trends are clear. According to Gartner, 60% of mid-sized and large enterprises plan to invest in cloud HCM solutions by 2026 to support workforce agility and scalability. Deloitte reports that nearly three-quarters of HR leaders view technology modernization as essential to growth and innovation. Modular, configurable platforms that allow you to add only the functions you need, whether on-premise, cloud, or hybrid, are rapidly becoming the new standard. When making your decision, weigh three factors. First, your specific business needs. Do you require heavy customization or strict data residency controls? On-premise or hybrid may be the better fit. Second, your budget. If you prefer predictable operating expenses and minimal capital spending, cloud deployment can free up resources. Third, your technical capabilities. If your IT team is lean, a cloud or hybrid approach reduces their day-to-day burden so they can focus on strategic initiatives. Consider the real-world example of a small garment exporter in Tirupur. They began with on-premise software, but their small IT staff struggled to keep pace with system maintenance and security. When they moved to a cloud HRIS, they found it far easier to scale across multiple factory locations, onboard new employees in minutes, and redirect their IT experts to business-critical projects. In conclusion, the right HRIS deployment depends on your organization's unique mix of control requirements, compliance obligations, budget constraints, and IT capacity. Cloud-based HRIS is growing fastest, especially among small and mid-sized businesses seeking lower costs and simpler management. Yet, industries with stringent security demands or extensive custom workflows may continue to favor on-premise or hybrid solutions. Thank you for joining Lesson 3. In our next session, we'll guide you through comprehensive journey of evaluating, selecting, and implementing the best HRIS tool. I look forward to seeing you then.